We should take Gohan home on the way.
Piccolo, I guess we'll be seeing you.
Before you leave, I have a request to make. I want Goku's son to come with me for special training.
No way! You can't fool me, mister! Special training. You just want to gobble him up!
I do not!
Then tell us why.
Earlier today, this boy showed signs that he might be the most powerful person on this planet. I think I can teach him to control his power, so he can use it to help us defend the Earth when the other Saiyans arrive. It is a long shot. He might still be too young. We'll see.
Yeah, he's probably too young.
At any rate, I'd say you'd have to ask the boy's mother.
I'm not asking.